Hi, my name is Alex Barbero, and this is the water bottle liquid to solid experiment. So, most people, they believe that water will always freeze at exactly 32 degrees Fahrenheit or 0 degrees Celsius. While that can be true, we know that pure water, it is not always going to be ice at that temperature. So, why is this? Well, at much colder temperatures, we know that many substances form crystals in their solid state, and that molecules of a liquid behave differently than those in the solid state. And this is what we can say when we say the states and everything. We could talk about the arrangements of the molecules in the molecules of the liquid water, which we know is hydrogen and oxygen. We could call that the crystal lattice. The molecules must begin to arrange themselves and form an orderly crystal lattice. And once they're completely formed in order, that is when we will have a perfect solid substance. So the colder a liquid becomes, the more likely that the molecules will stop moving and vibrating, and that is when we will start to form the solid. So when I take my liquid bottle of water from the freezer, and if I was to tap it or shake it, what should happen will get the molecules that are moving around to more likely stop and move into the proper arrangement and form that crystal lattice. And then that way we will start to see the water bottle start to go from a liquid to a solid much more faster. So I'm going to pull my water bottle out of the freezer right now, and then we will see what happens. My phone keeps dropping. Ugh. So I have this water bottle that has been in the freezer for a little bit of time, and it is a liquid, but if I hit it, oh, I start to have a little bit of ice that's formed. Now, if I was to do this perfectly, we would have the entire water bottle turn into ice. But unfortunately, maybe I might have shook it up a little bit, or it wasn't at that precise temperature for it to become a solid. But I was able to make a couple little bit of ice at the top, which is really happy for me to see. The freezing or melting point of a substance is actually defined as the temperature at which the liquid and solid phases are at equilibrium. For pure water, this means that the ice is melting at exactly the same rate that the water is freezing, so that the net amount of each stays about unchanged. So that occurs at 0 degrees Celsius. So yeah, this is the water bottle liquid to solid experiment. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much.